Hey everybody, Judy and Lillian here. There's Lillian. We are outside and it has been raining all day. And there's Lillian. She can't do much because it's raining. So we're going to have to be creative today and find things for her to do. I think we'll go inside and dance in a little while. We like to dance sometimes. So that's something we can do on a rainy day. Whoa! You silly. Here, get on that one. Jump to me. Get on that one. You want to feel the rain? He's trying to touch the rain. Let's scooter forward. Yeah. Were you trying to get the rain? Huh? Whoop. Be careful. You want to touch the rain? Here. Let me help you. Come on. Come on. You want to touch the rain? There you go. You silly. You want to get up there? That rain's getting her wet. You silly. We're gonna go play. Go play. I bet she's gonna jump. We got it. Here she goes. Whee! Good jump. Good jump. It's gonna be a good slow motion jump. Lillian got to go visit one of her monkey friends today. It was a lot of fun. This is her third time to visit a friend of hers. It's a black cap Capuchin. And there she goes. Whoop. And he actually lives about 5 minutes away from us, which I was very surprised. We are getting to know Lillian's new monkey friend. It's a lot of fun. And he's a beautiful boy. Oh, look. Bobby's home. Go see Bobby. Try to get her to come over there. There she goes. Oh, she almost did it for Bobby. Call her. Oh, she did it! Yay! So we decided to come inside and let Lillian put her flying suit on. That's what we call it. She loves putting her flying suit on. And she loves swinging and climbing the rope. She played a little while outside in the rain. But she was ready to come in and play. You can see it's still pretty rainy and muggy out there. Yep, so here we are. Yay! Here we are. Oh! Is that her tail hitting?
Yeah.
Whee! Normally we just let her run through the den. She's real good. She doesn't break anything. But she also likes to swing on her swing. I think we tied it just a little bit too high and she can't get to the floor as good as she usually does. So she's been staying mostly on the rope, climbing it. But she didn't want to go and climb the tree because the tree was wet. Oh, look at her, how cute. It's making her walk on her back feet. That was cute. Okay. Whee! Where are you getting, Brandon? My goodness. We lowered it a little bit. Now she's having a good time. There we go.
I need to make sure this is tight enough.
Superman! There goes Superman! Whee! Whee! So this is perfect for rainy days. She's definitely running some energy off. Go get Brandon. Hey, good girl. If it wasn't so hard to get that thing on and off of her, I would just let her run around right now. But she's having fun, so I'm going to leave it on her. Well, Lillian and I are going to get ready for bed here in just a little bit. And since it's been one of those rainy days, I think we may do a little dancing together. Yeah! You want to dance with Mommy? I've been dancing with her since she was a little tiny baby. And I would hold her up and pretend she was climbing trees, and I would swing her in my hands and let her feel the feeling of swinging. And we still do it. She was little, I would hold her up and dance with her like this, like she was in a tree. But now she likes to hold on to me and dance. And sometimes we hold hands. girl. Dancing monkey. You get my dancing monkey? Okay, we're gonna climb the tree. Do some hip action. There we go. Thanks for stopping by. We hope y'all had a good time with us. We hope you stop by again sometime and give a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Woo. We'll catch y'all next time. Want to say bye? Bye-bye. Okay.